ideal for horizontal and overhead work. The tool's intended for hammer drilling in brick, concrete, and stone, as well as for chiseling work. It's also suitable for drilling without impact in wood, metal, ceramic, and plastic. The hammer accepts SDS plus bits. It features 3-mode operation for rotation only, hammering with rotation, or hammering only for multiple applications. The LED light is for improved illumination of the work surface. Now, before you get started, a few safety reminders. When operating this tool, always wear ear protection, a hard hat or safety helmet, safety glasses or face shield, and any other safety equipment recommended per the instruction manual. Always make sure the tool is disconnected from the power source before changing or inserting the bit. Clean the bit shank and apply the bit grease before installing the bit. Insert the bit into the tool, turn the bit, and push it in until it engages. Make sure the bit is securely held in place by trying to pull it out. We recommend a 10-gauge extension cord up to 50 feet in length. Next, plug the extension cord into the tool. Then plug the extension cord into the grounded power source. Choose the desired action mode. To start the tool, simply pull the switch trigger. Tool speed is increased by increasing pressure on the switch trigger. Release the switch trigger to stop. Always use the side grip and firmly hold the tool by both the side grip and switch handle during operations. Pressing excessively on the tool will not speed up the drilling. Do not rotate the action mode changing knob during operation. The tool will be damaged. Do not touch the bit or parts close to the bit immediately after operation, as it will be very hot. Do not leave the tool running and operate only when handheld. Makita rotary hammers are engineered with a Makita motor advantage, increasing energy transfer efficiency for more power and longer tool life.
Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to be looking at the Tac Life 1.25" SDS Plus electric rotary hammer drill. You can see it right here in its nice case with Tac Life logo and branding, and we also have a built-in handle at the top. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your user guide and manual right here, complete in multiple languages with their customer service and contact information for you. Then you can see we have some chisels, drill bits, cover removal tool, our depth gauge, our SDS chuck adapter and tool, followed by some advanced lubricant. We have our dust cover, and we have some additional carbon brushes. Then you can see we have the hammer drill itself right here. Let's look at that in more detail. So looking at the drill from this side, you can see the Tac Life logo and branding. We have our 360-degree adjustable handle. Then you can see our multi-function selector with drilling, hammer drilling, chisel position adjustment, and chiseling. Then we have our variable speed controller right here from 1 all the way up to 6. Then we have our big on-off button and controller. Then on the bottom, you can see we have a wrench and a carbon brush icon. That's where we can access to change out the carbon brush when necessary. You can look at it from the top too. You can see our cover plate that's easily removable to add in lubrication. And we also have our depth gauge lock right here. We can see it from the bottom side as well. Here's our nice power cord and cable. And now we can look at it from the other side. You can see VDT right here. So that's the vibration dampening technology that this drill features. And we have some more product information for the rotary hammer. Now let's go ahead, let's set it up. So the first thing we're going to set up is the depth gauge. Go ahead, take the gauge right here. You can see we have measurements from 1 all the way up to 24. Line it up through the slot and hole right there, and then set it to the depth that you want. And then just very gently twist it hand tight in place. And now you have your depth gauge installed. Now we're going to install a chisel. So take the chisel that you want, push down on the drill towards itself, line the chisel up, release, and now you have successfully installed a chisel. Drill bit installation is similar to the chisel installation, where you're going to go ahead, take the drill bit that you want, push down on the drill towards itself, and then insert the drill bit into the drill, release it, and now you have successfully installed a drill bit. The chuck installation is the same as well, so go ahead, take the chuck, push down on the drill towards itself, and then push it right into place, release, and now you have successfully installed the chuck. To rotate and change handle positions, go ahead, twist it to the left to loosen it up. Then you can rotate it 360 degrees to the position that you desire. Then twist it to the right to tighten it back down in place. And now you're ready to use it with the handle in the new position. Now that we have everything installed and set up, let's go ahead and try it out.
The Bosch 11264 EVS is a 120 volt 1 3/4 inch SDS Max combination hammer, and the Bosch 11265 EVS is a 120 volt 1 5/8 inch spline combination hammer. The Bosch 11264 EVS includes a combination dual mode selector, which features rotary hammer and hammer-only modes. Constant response circuitry offers soft start and maintains constant speed under load along with overload protection. A turbo power feature delivers 20% more power in hammer-only mode. An integral clutch disengages torque transmission if the bit gets bound up. Specifications for the 11264 EVS include a 13.5 amps no-load RPM of 145 to 280, no-load BPM of 1,350 to 2,800. The Bosch 11265 EVS includes vibration control, a vibration reduction in the hammer mechanism, and the handle grip provides maximum user comfort in extended work periods. The Bosch AutoMax variable speed dial is designed to automatically ensure the maximum speed and power every time the tool is plugged in. The 11265 EVS also includes turbo power in hammer mode and an integral clutch. Specifications for the Bosch 11265 EVS include 13 amps no-load RPM of 170 to 340 and no-load BPM of 1,700 to 2,900. There's also an optional Bosch DC11250 microfilter system with an integrated paper filter which captures the highest volume of all size dust particles to provide reduced dust exposure. The Bosch 11264 EVS and 11265 EVS represent the best of Bosch technology in concrete drilling. The DC11250 dust collection canister provides an extra layer of protection for the user. So there you have it. The Bosch 11264 EVS 1 3/4 inch SDS Max combination hammer and the Bosch 11265 EVS 1 5/8 inch spline combination hammer. For more information on these tools, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.